So both Sculptra and Renuva are interesting products. Neither one is a traditional filler, but they do both cause increased volume. They do it very, very differently. Sculptra triggers your body to produce collagen, and in doing so it actually adds volume of collagen. Renuva works very differently. It creates a honeycomb with growth factors, which gets replaced with your own fat cells. So one of them is collagen, the other one is fat. The collagen doesn't last forever. I mean, you can get some nice long-term results. You can get 2 or 3 years out of it, and often you need a boost to keep the collagen around. And it can work quite well for the hip dips or improving volumes sort of to the butt or hip area. Renuva, on the other hand, the results you get are presumably more permanent. Those fat cells are going to stick around for years and years without necessarily doing a boost once you get to the volume and outcomes you're looking for.